Jai Hind children, here I am with your third DIY of chemistry subject. See children, basically this DIY is related to class 9th. In class 9 there is a topic, there is a topic in second chapter. The name of the second chapter is matter around us pure. In that there is a topic, you are reading different techniques to separate the components of a mixture. Okay, in that only there is a process or there is a technique by called as separating funnel. By the use of separating funnel, you use to separate the liquids of different densities. Okay, so here children, I am not going to separate any liquid, I am not going to show any separation here, but yeah, I am going to use the this concept of different densities of liquid to form or to prepare one water candle. See children, as I used to tell all of you every time that central science, that yes, that chemistry is called as central science. So you may connect one of the experiment to your physics also. So you may connect some of the experiment to your biology also. So chemistry being a central science, its experiment are connected to various field of science. Is it okay? So now for preparing the water candle. So students, this is your water candle. Okay. Now, what is there in this water candle? I would like to see. I would like to tell you nicely. See, this yellow part. You can see here. There are two different layers. The upper layer is of the mustard oil. I have taken mustard oil. Okay, yellowish color. And the down layer, that is at the bottom. This is the water. Okay. Now the concept behind this is that water being heavier in densities settles down here in the bowl, and and the oil being lighter in densities float on the surface of the water. And this technique only we have, or this property of oil and water having two different densities, we have used to prepare this water candle. Okay, now isn't it looking beautiful? This is the water candle. Okay, you can use. So it might also be that at your place, it might also be there that due to closure of the shops, you might not be able to purchase the candle. So you can prepare these homemade, or you can make this homemade candle or this water candle. This would be looking very nice. So to prepare this water candle, we need one bowl of water. Okay, so now see, there are children different techniques for decorating. Here I have put one leaf from money plant. Okay, so you can do any other things. You can collect stones, you can collect pebbles, colored pebbles. You can put it in your bowl and it would look very beautiful. So now here I am going to try another method to just have a different look from this water candle. So what we need is this. We need a bowl of water. Next we need a vegetable oil. See beta, here I have taken refined oil, and earlier I have taken the mustard oil. Okay, so and here is that what our mother used to put, called as alta. Okay, now one scissor I need. Again I would require one plastic also. This plastic everyone can easily get. Okay, and then this is one cotton wick which we would require, and one scissors. So children, let's proceed with our steps. See, in this bowl we are having water. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take just few drop of this alta or color. If you are having food color also, then you can mix it here, or if you are having watercolor also, you can mix it here, just to give the color to your water, isn't it? Nothing else. Fine. Next what I am going to do is, next before putting this oil into this, just I want that all of you should prepare one circle of this. Okay, now how to prepare this plastic circle, or how to cut out? Just you take the plastic. Okay, just you take the plastic and put it here on the mouth of the of your bowl, and just mark with the pencil here. You can mark with your sketch pen, and if you mark with your sketch pen, then now you can cut out this plastic. And here is that I have done for you beforehand. Now just fold this plastic. Fold this plastic twice or thrice time. what I have to do is I have to just make beta one very small hole in the middle, okay, in the middle of it. For what I am making, I am telling you. So with the help of this, actually I have to put this wick into this hole. Is it okay? So you can see very nicely I have put the wick in this hole, plastic hole. Now I will just spread this cotton. Okay. Now this is ready. Now what's the next step? Next and the final step, to pour this vegetable oil on this, in this bowl, and you can see very nicely here two colors. One red one is your water, okay, and this transparent one is your vegetable oil. Now what I am doing, I am just putting this material with our plastic cover with very carefully on the surface of the water, okay. You can see. Is it okay? Now I'm just allowing 1 to 2 minutes of actually 1 minute time for the capillary action. Capillary action means the process by which beta the oil would be absorbed in the wick and oil will come at the top here. Just wait for 1 to 2 seconds, and after that now I am going to just burn this candle. Now that's all, children. This is how. Yes, sir. Now I am placing both of the candles here. So as you can see here, again I am telling you, the bottom part in this red candle, red water candle, is your water, okay, red part, and here the above layer which is colorless, that is your oil, and here the yellow part, the above yellow part in this bowl is your oil, and the colorless part down is your water. So this is what I have made the two water candle for you people. You can use different ideas, you can add different decorative things into it, and by this way you can just create good number of candles at your home. You can use at Diwali time, or you can just use at your home whenever you want. So children, my basic idea was to just to give you a few examples of DIY related to your central science subject, that is your chemistry subject, and by the use of this DIYs you can miss by the use of this activity, or you can also think about different activities or different techniques which you can just where you can apply your chemistry subject, where you can apply your chemistry knowledge, and you can create different things in at your home. So for this children, I wish all of you very best for your all these DIY creations. Do something very interesting, whatever you like. So Jai Hind and take care.